Alright guys, so I switched cameras. The other camera was giving me issues. So I don't know where it stopped in the other video. I'm going to try to get them as close as I can together. So I took out the papers here, warranty information. It looks like they do repairs on their stuff, which I guess that would be cool if they actually do repair their stuff. They gave me a Machete sticker. We'll be putting that on the car. Very nice, thank you. So a little, you can't expect much. This is still in the line of a budget subwoofer, so you can't expect much. And I'm going to put this on the ground and take it out. Over here and take it out. Okay. Oh, it looks like it fell through the box. Yeah, okay. Alright, there we go. Alright. Now this one also, guys, if you remember the Audio Legion and the Scar SDR, very similar speaker. They have the double magnet. I think even the size is similar. One thing about this is, wait a second, this one has the 2.5 inch, I believe. Let me just make sure, because I just bought another one that has a 2.4 inch, but we haven't done that video yet. 2.4 inch, and the Scar SVR has a 2.6 inch, which is another oddball size. So let's see here. We can find the... You know what? I'm just going to drop it in the video, guys. Whatever it is.
It says 2.5 on the box.
So the reason I've been looking at this forever is because, first of all, the cone looks fantastic. Now, one thing I noticed is, the first thing looking at this cone is it's glued on. It's not sewn on. So I'd rather look at the cone and see it sewn on, but you know what? It's a budget subwoofer. They put the money into other places than the cone, so you have to appreciate that, right? It has a huge surround, thick surround, so we're going to get some excursion out of this. This is the D2 version, so we're going to wire it to 1 ohm. It has a nice, thick, what do you call that?
It's like a bezel.
We'll call it a bezel. The bezel's actually around the box.
Oh.
But,
oh, it is glued on.
Yeah, the thing, instead of being...
So, yeah, like mine.
I think even this... No, that's glued on too. That's the Pioneer
Right here
that I'm looking at. So Scar's IX is also glued on.
Can't find the word. The SVR, I'm pretty sure, is sewed.
Yes. So this actually doesn't have a pole vent, which is a little odd. So that's different. Used to, on the most of the subwoofers, you're used to seeing a pole vent, not a... And the Spider is gorgeous. I'm going to get my camera for this. It has a thin lead, but that thin lead goes into sewn on to the Spider. See the leads there? They're sewn onto the Spider. Even though they're thin leads, they're still sewn into the Spider, and it looks like there's plenty of room for movement, excursion. I think it looks dope for a budget subwoofer. And it's leveled down, it's not raised or anything. Nice. I'm impressed with that. I really can't wait to hear this. I'm very excited to hear this. I'm hoping it's going to fit right into the box. And we're going to be right back. We're going to put it in the box. Ooh, I cut my finger earlier today. Alright guys, so we'll be right back. I'm going to put it in a box. And we're going to get it going on the NVX XAD. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. Subs and Paws. Got the Machete Fight in the box. Wired down 1 ohm right now. Let's just check that out real quick. Just make sure we're wired down at 1 ohm. Alright, here we go. Oh, let's turn the multimeter on. And it's not reading anything. Nothing? Ah, I just saw something.
Oh, is that what that was? Yeah. I know.
So I think it's actually under 1 ohm. It's not. I don't know why it's not reading like a solid number here. Okay, let's see if I can get that. So it's reading 792. I can't get it to stay solid. It's going on. I don't know why it's doing that. It makes no sense. Alright, so we're gonna play a song here and we're gonna try to get as much power as I can. See what we got here. Alright, so what are we sitting at for ohms here?
Blue, green.
So when it's actually beating now, it's staying in that 1 ohm area. And when it's less power, it's jumping up to 4 ohms. So it's anywhere from... Woo! Woohoo! I know you guys saw that 799 on there. I don't know if we saw any higher, but
That's
we
clean.
got 2 ohms at 483 right there.
That's clean.
What do we got? What do we got? 674. We'll take it. At 2 ohms, guys. This thing's hammering. All right, 674 at 2 ohms. We'll take it. Let's see if we can get some different excursions on here. I'm gonna try this out. So if you saw, guys, there it was staying right around that 1 ohm mark when it was the high power, and when it got low power, it was shooting down to 4 ohms. But that's actually really good. All right, let's get some song here. Should be coming here. There we go. What do we got? Let's see. Real-time power here. You can see it's staying right around 2 ohms there. Alright, I just want to show you guys a little bit of different woofer movement. Alright. So guys, I think we saw almost 1,000 watts on that other one there. So we'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so we're back again. Got another, I just want to see if we can get some different movement out of the sub, see what kind of dancing we can get out of it. Let's see here. This one's any different. Let's see what we got here. I think I'm gonna try to put this sub with the Audio Legion in the car together and see what they sound like together in the car. trap mix going. See what they got for a trap mix. It's coming, guys. Woo! Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Everybody knows this one. Woo! Let's take off the camera for a minute so you can check it out. Alright, and we're on the NVX NDA103. I can feel it pounding on my legs through the port. All I gotta say is, guys, this thing is one heck of a budget sub. Pounding, taking a beating. I don't smell any kind of coil at all. It's fresh out the box. I can imagine when this thing's going for another 2 weeks. Pounding in the car, it's gonna loosen up. It's gonna sound better and better every day you play it. Alright guys, well if you have not gone down and hit that like button, make sure you do that now, don't miss your chance. On the other side, go and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, guys. We greatly appreciate you. We'll see you back real soon. We're going to bring this in the car, guys, and then we're going to do another one in the car. We're going to do 2 videos in the car, and maybe we'll even bring it in the Fusion. Stay tuned, guys. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back real soon. Alright, guys. So here we are. Sub boxes in here. I am gonna unplug this one and just do the machete. I just wanted to share these while I had them wired up. Let's see if we can give them a little bit more, because I know they can take a little bit more. I actually turn this down. Woo. Woo. Nice. That thing is flexing. Wow. See what we're hitting for dB, guys. Just real quick. I'm just guessing it's probably a solid. Woo. All right. Nice. Anywhere in the car. Anywhere in the car. Woo. Alright, guys, we'll be right back. I'm gonna get the machete on by itself. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Holy crap. I just gotta get this and I'm gonna back it off. Wow, that was pushing it. Holy crap. That thing was knocking. I don't want it going that much. I don't know if I've seen a budget sub flex like that before. That thing's really hitting it. Wow. I can't get over that thing. Wow. And let me tell you, I can feel it straight through my body. That thing is knocking. Woo! I don't know, guys, I'm impressed. Wow. Let's see what this does by itself. See what that does by itself. All right, DB. So this one's hitting almost 130 by itself. Woo! Guys, this thing is insane. I am so impressed with this. This might be my I know I keep saying that every video. I get the Elite out and it's gonna be my new sub. I get the Machete out, it's gonna be my new sub. All right, guys. Hey, I'll tell you what, I for sure like that video. So guys, go down below. Don't be shy. Like that video, guys. Down in the corner over here, the subscribe button, guys. If you're not already a subscriber, now's a great time. We're gonna have a giveaway coming soon. I'm waiting on 2,000 subscribers. Then I'm gonna start a new giveaway. All right, guys? So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Share, like, subscribe. We'll see you back real soon, guys. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace. 478. All right, so we know it can take 5 around. All right, we're getting good numbers out of it. And guys, the amp we're using. All right, let's see. 589. I swear I saw something higher for a second there. Let this play out for a little bit because I know I get really good results on this.